If you're building an app in Thunkable and want to give it a fresh look, changing the theme is one of the quickest ways to customize its appearance. In this video, I'll show you how to change your app's color theme directly within Thunkable. Start by opening Thunkable in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the project you want to customize and open it. This will take you to the project's main workspace where you can edit and manage your app. After the project loads, take a look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This panel contains various options that help you build and customize your app. If you've used Thunkable's AI features before, you may notice the chat option near the top of this menu. Right beside the chat option, you'll find a tab called Theme. Go ahead and click on it. This section is dedicated to the visual styling of your application and allows you to quickly change the overall appearance of your app without manually editing individual components. Once you're inside the theme section, you'll see a variety of color options and theme presets available. These presets are designed to help you create a consistent visual style across your entire application. Rather than changing the color of each button, label, or screen one by one, you can apply a theme that updates the overall color scheme for you. As you browse through the available themes, you'll notice that Thunkable provides a preview of how each option affects your app. This makes it easy to experiment with different styles before making a final decision. You can try lighter color palettes for a clean and modern appearance, darker themes for a sleek and professional look, or more vibrant combinations if you're creating something fun and energetic. One of the advantages of using the theme section is that you can quickly compare different designs. Simply click on a theme and observe how the colors change throughout the app preview. If you don't like the result, you can immediately switch to another option until you find one that matches your vision. Choosing the right colors can have a significant impact on how users perceive your app. For example, productivity apps often use clean and calming colors, while entertainment and gaming apps may benefit from brighter and more energetic palettes. Taking a few minutes to explore the available themes can help create a more polished and professional final product. Once you've found a theme you like, the changes are applied throughout the app, helping maintain consistency in your design. This not only saves time, but also ensures that different screens and components work together visually. And that's all there is to it. By opening your project, selecting the Theme tab from the left navigation panel beside Chat, and choosing from the available color options, you can quickly transform the appearance of your app and create a design that better fits your brand, audience, or personal style. Whether you're building your first app or refining an existing project, the theme section is a simple yet powerful tool that can help make your application look more professional with just a few clicks.